Global steel grating and drainage solutions provider since 2017. Monthly production capacity 12,000 tons. The largest steel grating supplier in Guangdong, South China. Past CEEN 124, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and other certificate. Quality is ensured. Active participants at global trade shows, trusted by partners. Worldwide, exporting to multiple continents. Products are exported to 50-plus countries. Serving much overseas projects such as Dubai, Airport, and Singapore. Municipal government with excellent quality. Considerate sales service team to ensure pre-sales and after-sales service. Welcome your orders and inquiries.